Ramayana Series Episode 8, Kaikeyi's Boon and Rama's Exile. The kingdom of Ayodhya was adorned like the heavens themselves. King Dashrath, filled with happiness, announced, "Tomorrow, my eldest son Rama shall be crowned Yuvraj, the Prince Regent of Kosala." The people rejoiced. Flowers rained from terraces. Streets were cleaned and perfumed. Citizens sang praises of Rama's virtues. Dashrath, weary with age, wished to retire and see Rama rule. Destiny stirred a different plan. In her private chambers, Queen Kaikeyi, once the most affectionate towards Rama, was approached by her maidservant Manthara. Manthara, crooked of heart, whispered into Kaikeyi's ears, "O Queen, do you not see? If Rama is crowned, you and your son Bharat will lose all power. You must act before it is too late." Kaikeyi, at first dismissive, slowly fell prey to Manthara's venomous words. Her mind clouded by fear and ambition, she remembered the two boons that Dashrath had once promised her long ago during a battle. Boons that were still unclaimed. Kaikeyi entered the royal chamber where Dashrath rested. She threw herself upon the ground, angered and sorrowful. Alarmed, Dashrath asked, "What troubles you, my beloved? I shall grant whatever you desire." Kaikeyi demanded her two boons. Bharat shall be crowned Yuvraj instead of Rama. Rama shall be exiled to the forests for 14 years, wearing only tree bark and living as an ascetic. Dashrath was shattered. His heart broke into 1,000 pieces. "O cruel fate! You destroy me through the one I love most." But bound by honor and dharma, he could not go back on his word. Summoned to the court, Rama arrived with humility. Dashrath, weeping uncontrollably, could not speak. Kaikeyi, with cold words, spoke, "Rama, your father has granted me two boons. You must fulfill them." Rama, serene as the ocean, listened. He bowed respectfully and said, "Mother, it shall be done. I shall leave today itself." Without a moment's hesitation, without sorrow or anger, Rama accepted exile. Lakshman, burning with rage, vowed to accompany him. Sita, firm in devotion, declared, "Where Rama goes, there shall I go, in forest or palace, in joy or sorrow." Thus, the three prepared to leave Ayodhya. As Rama, Sita, and Lakshman prepared for exile, the citizens wept. Even the animals seemed to mourn. The sun dimmed. The winds hushed. Ayodhya stood frozen in sorrow. And thus began the journey, not of conquest, but of sacrifice, dharma, and eternal glory. Stay tuned for episode 9, Rama Leaves Ayodhya.